How to create an affiliate account on Shein account. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first, go ahead and type Shein affiliate program. Scroll down to the official Shein website and then click on it. Go ahead and click on sign up and log in for free now. So you need to enter your first name, your last name, your country, your email address, and then enter your password and then confirm it once more and then click on next. So go ahead and select the promotional type if it's a company or individual, and then enter your account name, your PayPal account, your main promotional market, so you can click on this arrow to select it, your monthly average traffic, your main promotional type, so you can click on this arrow to select it again, and then enter the URL here, and then tick if you have collaborated with Shein before. And once you've entered all this information and clicked on next, then the next step is you'll have to read their policy and then click on that you agree with the policy, and then they'll review your application and let you know if it is successful. So this is how to create an affiliate account on Shein account. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.